Jobber can take an electrical job from estimate to invoice without switching apps, and that's the biggest reason small electrical businesses use it. The problem is, electrical work gets complicated fast once materials, crews, and project timelines grow. By the end of this, you'll know if Jobber is a smart fit for your electrical business, or if you'll outgrow it too quickly. Here's the direct answer. If you run a small residential electrical business, Jobber is usually a solid choice. If you handle commercial installs, larger teams, or detailed material tracking, there are better options. Start with what Jobber does well. The workflow is simple. A customer calls for a panel upgrade, outlet repair, or rewiring job. You create the quote, send it, schedule the work, dispatch the electrician, and invoice the customer after completion. That all happens inside one system. That saves admin time. For residential electricians doing service calls, speed matters more than complexity. Jobber keeps jobs moving. The mobile app is useful in the field. An electrician can pull up job details, add notes, upload site photos, and mark work complete before leaving. That makes office follow-up easier. Recurring work is another strong point. If you manage maintenance for landlords, property managers, or small businesses, Jobber can automate recurring visits. That keeps your schedule full without extra manual work. Now the weak spots. Inventory is basic. If your team tracks breakers, conduit, panels, cable rolls, and fixtures across multiple vans, Jobber won't give you advanced stock control. That creates friction. Job costing is another limitation. You can see job values and invoices, but detailed material by material profitability isn't the strong point. That matters for larger installs where margins depend on labor and supply costs. For commercial electrical contractors, that gap becomes bigger. Tools like Simpro or Service Editin usually handle that level of detail better. So who is Jobber best for? A 1 to 10 electrician team doing residential service, troubleshooting, installs, and maintenance will usually get strong value. It keeps scheduling, quoting, and payments organized. A larger contractor handling multi-week commercial builds or heavy inventory usually needs more depth. The three things to remember are simple. Jobber is fast, easy, and practical for service electricians. It keeps operations clean. It gets weaker when projects and stock get complex. The next step is simple. List your current workflow and check where your business loses the most time. If this helped you figure it out, hit like and subscribe.